पिछली बार जब मैंने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल की थी तो तशरीफ लग गई थी। आज खुशी इस बात की है कि मेरी नहीं किसी और की लग रही है। जिसको ये बात समझ में नहीं आई, मैं यही कहूंगा कि आप सब ट्यूबलाइट हैं। So, without any further ado, please welcome Y Films Poor Choice, गरीबों का रितेश देशमुख। तो आज का एजेंडा बहुत सिंपल है। रितेश हमें अपनी बहुत बड़ी तशरीफ देने वाले हैं। आई थिंक कि कुछ बहुत ही सेडिस्टिक लोग हमारे मीडिया से आए हुए हैं आज, तशरीफ टेकर्स, जिनको मैं मंच पर बुलाना चाहता हूं। प्लीज ब्रिंग योर तशरीफ ऑन स्टेज टू टेक हिज तशरीफ।
You know, Ritesh, I'm really not surprised that, you agreed for your ass to be taken on a public platform. Because that's the only way anybody will show up at your event. It's okay. I saw the trailer of your new movie, I'm like, okay, fine. Fun stuff, I saw you pop up. Then I saw Vivek Oberoi pop up. And I was relieved. Just imagine how bad you are that Vivek Oberoi in a movie makes me feel good. In 2014, Ritesh did a film called Hum Shakals. It's an absolute classic. It's an underrated gem. Right? You guys should check it out. He had a triple role in it. You know what happened then? The producers lost thrice as much money as they would on an average Ritesh Deshmukh flop. So whoever saw the movie, they told 3 other people to not watch it. Ritesh, like you live in Malabar Hill, you live in South Bombay, right? Who let you come in? With that face, it will be a miracle if you get an apartment in Nalasopara. I find a lot of similarities between Ritesh and there is a mall in South Bombay called Atria. Everybody knows it exists, but nobody gives a fuck. It's just there. This roast has been really fun, but you know what's better? To roast Vivek Oberoi. With that, you can just hit and run.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आपकी फिल्म 2.5 साल के बाद रिलीज हो रही है। ऑन लोकेशन भी हम बहुत सारे लोग गए थे, लेकिन मुझे और ज्यादा खुशी होती कि ये 250 साल के बाद रिलीज होती। कम से कम मुझे रिव्यू तो नहीं करना होता आपकी फिल्म का। एक रिव्यू ने आपकी फिल्म क्या कूल है हमको 2 hours 16 minutes के लिए कहा था। द फिल्म इज 2 hours too long। लेकिन आपके करियर को देख करके लगता है जो 15 years का है कि योर करियर इज 15 years too long। सच कहूं तो मुझे बैंक चोर ट्रेलर बहुत पसंद आया। आप देख सकते हैं, ये फोटो भी आपके सामने है, पोस्टर, क्योंकि इसमें मेरे फेवरेट एनिमल्स हैं, हाथी, घोड़ा, रितेश। बोल दे, गधा भी बोल दे, फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा।
And I'm not saying that Ritesh Deshmukh is ugly. All I'm saying is that if Monday Blues had a face. Ritesh, this is the 3rd time I'm meeting you in person. I know you don't remember, neither do I. But my team keeps on telling me that this is the 3rd time we're meeting. And every time I meet this guy, I just have a feeling that Shreyas Talpade is not the worst looking Marathi actor around. Guys, he's not. Till the time this guy is around, that guy has hope like, Aashaएं, Aashaएं. Which also you're accused of doing multi-starrer films, yes? A lot of people come up to you and say they're doing multi-starrer hero, yaar, multi-starrer films. Actually, I just want to say to those people that these people are jealous, yaar. In fact, every time he's there on screen, there is only 1 star. Whenever in a movie he's there on a screen, there is 1 star in the reviews of the film. In the reviews, guaranteed 1 star. Ritesh also did a film called Hum Shakals, right? Where you had a triple role. You just spoiled the concept of threesomes for me. Like, for life. That's the worst threesome ever attempted in the history of threesomes, dude. You just spoiled it for all of us.
I have to tell you that I really like you. But with a face like that, you can only do comedy films, darling. Ritesh, because of you, sometimes I wish I was born in the pre-independence era. Not because I would have loved to be like Zalilo ki tarah under the British rule, but by the time you would have debuted, I would have been dead. To get into Bollywood, you need at least 2 things. Either you need to be talented or you need to be good looking? How did you make it so long?
Luck.
Luck? What the? Every time I see your films, I want to get spiritual. I want to ask God, what did I do to deserve this?
Ritesh Deshmukh, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Janelia's husband.
I'm extremely proud of that. Thank you.
So now, you usually do movies like Hum Shakals, and then there's a banjo and all of that. But then there's also a face to you, like a Dusra Chehra, where you do movies like Ek Villain. But then what I want to say is, if you're going to be two-faced, then just make sure that at least one of them is talented. You know, actually, I really thought about the reason behind you making the decisions and the choices that you do, and I kind of traced it back to your childhood. Now, there are times when these kind of disabilities happen because children get dropped on their head. But you were clearly thrown against a wall. I think there's something about you which makes me feel like you can give competition to the three Khans. Fardeen Khan, Sayed Khan and Imran Khan.
So basically a reviewer once said, clearly stuck playing the hopeless buffoon in embarrassing comic capers. Both his best and worst movies belong to the ha-ha genre. तो बाकी important नहीं है, मैं आपको समझाती हूँ ha-ha genre क्या है. The genre in which you look at the actor and say, क्या गधा आदमी है यार. Okay. My favorite Ritesh Deshmukh film is Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. He wasn't in it. It was amazing. YRF, I really want to thank you all. I think it's a great opportunity. बड़ा मजा आ रहा है रोस्ट करते हुए यार, है ना? But next time give me a significant actor ताकि मुझे material मिले. बहुत research करने पड़ी. Significant actor will do well यार. And honestly यार मरे को क्या मारना यार. I mean, come on guys.
In Aladdin, you played Aladdin, which I thought was a complete waste of opportunity. I thought you should have played Genie, because no one would have taken you out of the bottle. Trust me. No one. So the other day I tried searching, you know, I keep going on the internet, I start saying stupid stuff. So I was searching for worst films of Ritesh Deshmukh. And I found literally 10 listicles that said Ritesh Deshmukh's 10 worst films. And while I was going through it, I realized that all those listicles contained different films. अबे कितनी घटिया फिल्में की लाइफ में.
कितना versatile देख मेरा career.
Okay, finally there was a great burn on the internet for you, which goes like, knock knock. Who's there? Ritesh Deshmukh. Ritesh Deshmukh who? Thank you.
अच्छा विकिपीडिया पे मैंने इनको बहुत रिसर्च किया. इनका स्पेलिंग बड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. दे गॉट दैट राइट, पर एक स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है आपके प्रोफाइल में. उन्होंने आपके नाम के आगे ACTOR लिखा है. आपके नाम के आगे आर्किटेक्ट भी लिखा है. अच्छा है ये पिक्चर बनाता है, 200-250 का नुकसान होता है. बिल्डिंग बनाया होता तो अच्छा ये आर्किटेक्ट होते ना, शौचालय बहुत अच्छा बनाते. पूछिए क्यों? पिक्चर में भी पॉटी करते हैं. हम शक्ल्स इज अ फनी मूवी गाइस. जो भी पिक्चर देखने गया मैं उस पर हंसा. आपने ज्योतिष से नाम चेंज कराया ना, उसने बोला नहीं स्पेलिंग चेंज किया तो शक्ल नहीं बदलती है. मैंने सुना है कि इन्होंने एक्टिंग का कोर्स भी किया है. कोर्स कंप्लीट क्यों नहीं किया? आप पढ़ाई करने न्यूयॉर्क गए थे? हाँ. उधर भी है क्या मराठी मीडियम? एंड दिस इज द हैप्पीएस्ट डे ऑफ योर लाइफ, क्योंकि आप पे बनी कोई भी चीज को देखने के लिए एक थिएटर में इतने ही लोग जमा होते हैं. दिस इज योर बिगेस्ट हिट ब्रो.
अब आया तो लगे हाथ लगा भी देते.
लगा ta sheriff.